The fizz of a twist-top beer being opened. The bottle top hitting the ground. The glug, glug, glug of the beer pouring into her mouth. The ah of satisfaction. The unsteady click-clack footsteps of leather-soled shoes on concrete. A gassy beer burp reverberating in the otherwise quiet street. The jangle of keys. A car door opening. The squeak of the vinyl seats. The door closes. The engine starts. Driving with jingle bells on the car radio. The single, short, sharp wail of a police siren. An electric window. The hissing of breath until the beeping stops. Silence. If you don't like the sound of getting caught, don't drink and drive this festive season. A message from the Motor Accident Commission and the Government of South Australia.